In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a calendar to your Wix website. If you're looking to enhance user engagement, or simply keep your site visitors updated with important dates and events, adding a calendar is a fantastic way to achieve this. Let's dive right in and walk you through the process step by step. To start, the first thing you'll want to do is head over to the Wix website editor. If you haven't logged in yet, go ahead and do so. Once you're in, you should see the editor interface, where the magic happens. It's where you'll be making changes and updates to your website. This interface is designed to be user-friendly, so even if you're new to website editing, you should feel right at home here. Now, look for the Add button on the left-hand side of your screen. It has a little plus icon next to it, making it easy to spot. Once you've found it, click on it. This button is essentially your gateway to enhancing your website with various apps and tools. In our case, we're interested in adding a calendar. Next, in the search bar that pops up, type in the word calendar. Doing a quick search will help you narrow down the options and find exactly what you need without having to sift through too many choices. After your search results appear, look for an app that fits your needs. There are several calendars available with unique features, so feel free to take a quick look at them to ensure you've selected the one that best suits your website's requirements. Once you've found the calendar you'd like to add, it's time to click on it. This will bring you to a more detailed view of the app, giving you additional information about what it can offer. Take a moment here to make sure it's the right choice for you. If everything looks good, move on to the next step. Now, click on the Add to Site button. This step is crucial as it officially integrates the calendar into your website's framework. There will be a short processing time where Wix does its magic behind the scenes, but it doesn't typically take long. After that, you'll be presented with an option to agree to the app's terms. Simply click on Agree and Add. This is a standard step in most integrations to ensure that you are aware of and compliant with the app's terms and conditions. It's always a good idea to give these a once-over, but typically there are no surprises. And that's it. Your calendar should now be a functional part of your Wix website, ready to keep your visitors informed about your latest events and important dates. By following these steps, you've made your site not only more interactive, but also more user-friendly. Thanks for joining me today and happy website editing!